Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to share with you the top 10 ways to make money online. Whether you're looking to make some extra cash on the side or want to turn your online gig into a full-time career, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Freelance is a great way to make money online. If you have a knack for writing and can produce high-quality content, there are many websites where you can find offer a wide range of writing gigs that you can apply for. Online surveys. Completing online surveys is a quick and easy way to earn some extra cash. Many companies pay people to take surveys to get feedback on their products or services. Some popular survey websites include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting a product or service and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. You can promote products on your website, blog, or social media platforms. Popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and Commission Junction. Virtual assistant. If you have excellent organizational and administrative skills, then becoming a virtual assistant may be the perfect fit for you. Many businesses, especially small business owners, are looking for virtual assistants to help with tasks such as email management, social media management, and customer support. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can make money online by tutoring students. Websites like Chegg, Tutor.com, and Schooly connect students with online tutors in various subjects. Graphic design. If you have a talent for graphic design, there are many opportunities to make money online. You can design logos, websites, social media Groud, and Fiverr offer graphic design gigs. Online course creation. If you have knowledge in a particular area, you can create an online course and sell it on websites like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. Online courses are a great way to share your expertise with others and earn money in the process. YouTube. Creating a YouTube channel is a great way to make money online. You can monetize your videos through ads and sponsorships. Many YouTubers have turned their channels into full-time careers. Dropshipping. Dropshipping involves selling products without physically storing them. You can create an online store and use a dropshipping supplier to fulfill orders. Popular dropshipping platforms include Shopify and WooCommerce. Podcasting. Podcasting has become increasingly popular in recent years, and it's also a great way to make money online. You can monetize your podcast through sponsorships, ads, and donations. Podcasting allows you to share your voice and connect with listeners from all over the world. And there you have it, the top 10 ways to make money online. Which one are you going to try out? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.